Hi guys, good day, it's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class is all about relations and functions. And then we have given mapping diagram below. Make a table, write the set of ordered pairs, and draw its graph. So without further ado, let's do this topic. So we have this given mapping class. We have A and then B. So once again, for A, this will be the input, the X value. For B, this will be the output, the Y values. So we have given this mapping and then we're going to determine the set of ordered pairs. And then we're going to complete this table and then later on class we will graph our answer. Alright, so let's start this one. Alright, let's do it step by step. So we have given set of ordered pairs. So we have this one, 0 and then 0. So 0 corresponds to 0. So we have 0 and then 0. X is 0 and then Y is 0. So that would be 0 and then 0. Alright, this one, X, the X value or the input. So we have one, once again class, this one right here, we call this one the input. And this will be X. The other one, this will be the output. And this will be Y. So X values and then Y values. Alright, so we have 0 and then 0. Next one, we have 1, positive 1 for X. And then Y is negative 1. So 1 and then negative 1. So 1 and then negative 1. The other one, we have positive 1 for X, and then positive 1 for Y. That would be 1 and then positive 1. So 1 and then positive 1. Alright, so this one right here, we have positive 4 for X, and then Y is negative 2. So 4 and then negative 2. 4 and then negative 2. The other one, we have 4 and then positive 2. 4 and then positive 2. 4 and then positive 2. Alright, so once again class, we call this one relation. Set of ordered pairs, we call this one relation. The question class, is this a function or not a function? That's correct. This will not be a function class because the X value 4 is repeating. As you can see class, 4 is repeating. The X value or the input is repeating, corresponds to two different outputs. That would be negative 2 and then positive 2. So the input right here, 4 is repeating, as well as 1 is repeating. So therefore, class, this will not be a function. So we call this one class relation. Alright, so let's complete the table. So the X value, the input, so we have 0. So we have 0. And then Y value, the output, that will be 0 and then 0. Alright, this one, we have positive 1 and then negative 1. Alright, so we have positive 1 and then positive 1. The other one, we have positive 4, the X value. The Y value is negative 2. Last one, we have positive 4 and then positive 2. Easy as that class. Once again class, for the input, there would be X value. For the output, there would be Y value. Easy as that class with regards to the table. So once again, 0 for X. This is X. So this will be X and then Y. X, Y, X, Y, X, Y. Ordered pair class, it's always X and then Y. Alright, 0 for X, Y is 0. 1 for X, and then Y is negative 1. So we have 1 and then negative 1. So 1 and then 1. So we have 4 for X, Y is negative 2. 4 for X, and then Y is positive 2. Alright, so let's graph this one class with regards to our given ordered pair. Let's do that. So let's graph this one. Let's do it step by step. So we have 0 and then 0. Alright, so let me just copy that one class. Given set of ordered pairs, and then we're going to graph that one. 0, 0, we have 1 and then negative 1. The other one, we have 1 and then positive 1. We have 4 and then negative 2. Last one, we have 4, positive 4, and then positive 2. Alright, so let's graph this one class, and then we're all set. Alright, so we have 0 and then 0. This will be on origin. Once again class, this will be on origin. 0 and then 0. So this one right here, 0 and then 0. 1 and then negative 1. So once again, I hope you have this one class during your grade 8 on how to plot points. Once again, if you want to learn more on how to plot points, I will just put the link on the description down below. Feel free to see the video class. But you have this one class during your grade 8. I'm sure class, second quarter, first week, you have this one class during your grade 8. How to plot points. Alright, X and then Y. X is positive 1. Y is negative 1. So this one right here. Alright, next one, we have positive 1 for X, positive 1 for Y, positive 1 for X, positive 1 for Y. This one right here. Next, for X is positive 4, and then Y is negative 2. This one right here. Alright, positive 4 and then negative 2. This one right here. Last one, we have positive 4 for x. Y is positive 2. This one right here. Alright, so simply connect the points, class. You start with this one. The first ordered pair, we have 0 and then 0. Next will be 1 and then negative 1. This one right here. Next will be 1 and then positive 1. This one right here. Next will be 4 and then negative 2. This one right here. Last one, we have 4 and then positive 2. This one right here. Alright, I apologize, class. You can use a ruler. Okay, you can use a ruler, class. Alright, this is positive 4. And that's it, class. You're all set. This will be your graph, class. Of course, class, this will not be a function, class. We explained that, class. We do have a video, class, on how to determine if the given graph is a function or not. So I will just put the link or the description down below. This is not a function, class, because if you draw vertical line, if you will have vertical line test, you will have 2 points lie on the same vertical line. Example, class, you draw vertical line. You have vertical line test. As you can see, class, you have 2 points lie on this vertical line. So you have this one and then this one. So therefore, class, this will not be a function. Alright, we do have another video for that one, class, on how to verify if the given graph or how to determine if the given graph is a function or not. And this will be our graph, class, with regards to this given ordered pair. And then we're all set, class. All set. Alright, so once again, class, I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You share it to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students. Once again, this is Teacher MJ. Have a great day, class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.